This isn't your typical bloom pour. What happens when you let the paint move wildly, breaking apart, reshaping itself, and becoming something new? You get a deconstructed bloom that feels alive and powerful. Welcome back to the channel. This pour reminded me of transformation, the way life pulls us apart sometimes, only to rebuild us in a more beautiful, unexpected way, like a flower caught in the wind or a flame that refuses to go out. I started with a rich magenta deep base, then layered puddles of black, white, and metallic gold across the surface. Each color here carries a story. The magenta, a bold foundation full of strength. The black and white, contrast, tension, and balance. And the gold, light breaking through the darkness, a reminder that beauty always finds a way. Using a blow dryer, I guided the air to create blooms, but instead of stopping there, I let the motion break them apart. In fluid art, this is called a deconstructed bloom, where the classic flower-like pattern becomes jagged, textured, and spiky. It's like watching petals caught in a windstorm. Keep watching because this is where the action begins. The gold begins to peek through like sunlight in a storm, and the blooms transform into something fierce and untamed. If this spoke to you, if it reminded you of strength in chaos, make sure to like, subscribe, and join me for more color journeys. And as always, remember, stay creative and keep painting. The final piece feels alive, spiky, textured, and full of energy. It's not delicate, it's bold, a reminder that even when things fall apart, they can still be stunning.